Hello everyone, this is Alifraz here, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install the custom font into your Shopify store. So let's get started. So here is our laptop screen. First of all, click on this themes and then click on actions and then click on this edit code. Okay, and go to the Google and search for the font that you want to install onto your Shopify store. Search for the Google fonts. This is the best ever website where you can download the best ever fonts for your store, for your website, and for your commercial purpose. Okay, so for example, this is the font that I want to install on my Shopify store. So just click on this font and download this font. Okay, so this font is now downloaded in my computer. So you see this is now downloaded. Right click on this and then extract the file. So you see the file is extracted now. Okay, so this is the file. Now go to the Google and search for TTF2WOFF, because you see the font type is TTF2 type font file. Okay, so convert this file to WOFF. So this is the website. Open the website, choose the file and go to the compressed folder and then the updoc, and then select this font and then convert the font to WOFF. So you see that the font is now converted. Click on this download button to download the font. So you see that the font is now downloaded into your computer. Okay, so now go to your Shopify store and in the assets, go to the assets. Okay, and click on this add a new asset. Click on this button, choose a file and choose this WOFF file. Okay, and then upload this asset into your Shopify store. So you see that this file is now successfully saved into your Shopify Liquid. Now search here for base.css. Okay, in some themes there is a file of base.css, in some themes there is a file of theme.css, so it depends on the themes. Okay, so in the Dawn theme this is the base.css, and in the other themes there is the other files theme.css. Okay, so just open this base.css, scroll down. Okay, and you see this is the font. I will give you this line of code into the description. Just copy this line of code and paste it to the base.css. Okay, when you paste this code into the base.css, then search here for up. You see the updoc regular font that we added into our store. Just open this file and copy this name. Copy the name, go to the base.css and paste the name here. Like name of the font is this one. Okay, and then paste again here and then paste again here. Okay, change it to WOFF and also change the name of the font here. Okay, so you see that the name of the font is changed. Now type here H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, and then P and then body. Okay, so you see I have added all the classes here. Then click on this save button. Now visit your store. So you see that the font is changed successfully onto a Shopify store. If I'll show you, if I'll remove this file, this line, okay, and then click on the save button, so you see the default font of this website is this one. Okay, now I'll again enable this line. Okay, and click on this save button and then again refresh the window. You will see the whole font on the website is changed successfully. So this is the procedure that how you can change the custom font of the Shopify theme and how you can install the custom fonts into your Shopify store. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you very much.